Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c : then hit enter. Then type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space / fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows / system32 / config / regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space / export space c : / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.